Hi everybody, and welcome back to our second week of Art at Home. It's Mrs. Bojack, and if you look at me behind me on the wall, you're going to notice a lot of different cartoons today because we're going to be drawing cartoons out of shapes. And these are ones that you make up yourself. Now here are some that I've made up. You can see some are animals like a frog. There's a couple of robots over here. There's a bunch of circus characters juggling and swinging from a trapeze. You've got superhero, there's Batman. And there's a family of cards. Up here you have some more superheroes, and then there's Spider-Man, and there's even a pig. So you can make any character that you like or characters you like out of shapes. They can be people, animals, or they can be aliens or robots. Completely imaginary. So what you need are a piece of paper. You are also going to need a box of markers and a pencil and an eraser. And if you have a Sharpie marker, it would come in handy. If you don't worry about it. Just use your black Crayola marker. And let's get to work and make some cartoons. Okay, everyone. First of all, let's review some different kinds of shapes. You can draw circles, crescent moons, ovals, half circles. Now I'm going to use a straight edge or a ruler for my longer shapes. This one has a body that is a rectangle. And this character has a body that is a triangle, upside down, like an ice cream cone. This person has a body that's a heart and another heart, upside down. And this character has a square body. There are other shapes we know too. You could do a star if you wanted to, or a diamond. I'll draw a diamond inside here. And maybe a star right here. The next thing that they need are necks. Could be just a single line, or maybe two lines, or maybe a curved line. They're going to need feet and shoes. She has high heels on. And this fella has wheels. And this guy's jumping. Woohoo! Now arms, same thing. You would draw some simple arms. Just some straight lines are fine. And hands can be mitten hands. This guy can have little heart hands. His hands are circles. She's folding her hands in the front. And the robot is going to have, let me see, I think the robot's going to have like antenna arms. Now again, I'm using a Sharpie marker, but you can use a Crayola marker for this. Whatever you want black, you can color in now. Then they need eyes. This guy only gets one eye because his head is turned sideways. Now you can start to add some color. Ta-da! So you want to finish up your work as much as you color as much as you like, and you can leave some things black and white, of course. And if you really have fun, you can even make a second one. All right, get to work and have some fun drawing cartoons.